Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Theodora and I'm back with another video. So in today's video I'm going to be doing a very simple makeup routine, like my simple makeup routine that I use, which only consists of using like very few products because I don't really know how to do makeup and I look crazy when I use too much things on my face. So yeah, let's get into the video. Okay, so the first thing I do when I'm doing my makeup is my hair. Actually, I brush my hair backward because I don't have edges. Let's do that first.
I'm all up in the clouds when it's pouring rain. Ain't never coming down unless you call my name. Yeah, we should take it slow, just like day by day.
I'm not very good at brows, but I'm going to show you guys how I do my brows basically. Okay, what I'm going to do first is sharpen the eye pen. The eyebrow pencil. You have to sharpen it so that it's sharp and really get the brow whatever. So now that you brushed it, you'll be able to see where exactly to draw on. The thing about this makeup routine that I'm doing, I'm using cheap ass makeup products that you can use, especially like if you're like a beginner. When you're a beginner, you don't want to be using expensive products so that you don't waste it. So I think this eye pencil is probably like $1. It's $1 because I got it from beauty supply store. Concealer that I'm going to be using. This concealer is from a brand called Shop Miss A. So this is not a promo video, but basically on this channel I'm going to be putting you guys on. So Shop Miss A actually is a brand that sells makeup products and I think some other like accessories and stuff, but basically almost all their products are $1. This concealer is $1. They have foundation, almost all makeup products, graphic liners. The graphic liners I use are from Shop Miss A. You should definitely get products from them if you want like affordable products that still look good. For me, concealing my brows is like the hardest thing just because I don't know, my hand is not stable. So guys, when you are concealing your brows, you want to get a shade that is a bit lighter than you, just so that place can kind of like be defined. I don't know if that's the reason, but is it? You guys don't know anything about makeup? Yeah, the under of your brows needs to be bright, guys. Basically guys, when you are concealing your brows, you don't want to like get into the hairs, you want to just conceal under the brows just so that it will not be looking like chaotic. That's a mistake I always make. This concealer that I'm using, I noticed that it has kind of like dried up a bit. So what I'm going to do, because I want to blend it now, I'm going to be using this blending sponge and I'm going to spray this e.l.f. setting spray just to make it kind of like damp. Then I'm going to blend it out. So you're just going to continue to like dab it until like it kind of look blended into like your like skin color, so that's like not too bright, not too. One thing you have to know about blending is that it takes time. It's the thing, you not just like this and it will blend. You have to be careful so that it will blend into your skin well. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to go over with my foundation. So this foundation is actually also a cheapest product. Foundation is from Shein. They have a brand under them called sheglam. I'm sorry that the appearance is kind of, I don't even know the word to use. You know, it's used, so obviously it's not going to be so neat. Sheglam foundation is under $10. I've forgotten how much it is, but it is cheap and it is good. The thing I like about this Shein foundation is that on Shein they have like these really small packs of, should I say sachet or whatever. They have these small packs. I don't know, maybe they're like that's what I'm saying now. They have these small packs or samples of like the foundation. So before I actually got this foundation, this is mocha, it's under here. I don't know if you guys will see mocha. So before I got it, I actually bought like samples, mocha, different shades, and I tried them out, and it was this mocha that was like the closest to my chest basically, so I got the mocha one. Basically, when you're putting concealer in your under eyes, you want to put a lighter shade just so it like brightens it up. I think I'm done with my concealer, so now I'm going in with my blush. So guys, this is my makeup so far, and I think what next? Okay, I'm just going to put some black liner or brown liner, maybe black liner in my waterline. I don't know how to contour my nose, so most times what I just use like a light concealer on like the bridge of my nose, just to kind of like lifting that place, and then I add a little bit of highlighter, which I'm going to be doing now. I'm going to put a little bit of foundation at the sides just to kind of make this middle more precise. So right now this is what my nose looks like. Still looks kind of normal, but I don't know. So you guys, I'm going to be using this eyeshadow palette for my nose just to give it like a shine. The reason why I'm doing my makeup right now, I want to create batch content for my Instagram. I'll take some pictures because some brand sent me some clothes a while back, but I haven't been able to create any content because I've been very busy and I've not been in the right state of mind to really take pictures. So today I'm going to be taking pictures for them. I'm doing a nude look that will go with all of my outfits, so that's why I'm not doing too much. So for my eye look, I'm not going to be doing too much. I'm just going to put a bit of nude eyeshadow and do a simple liner. Guys, so my camera stopped filming because I think my storage was full or something. So I was looking at the clip and my brows look horrible, like they look so different. So I think I'm going to try and adjust that before I continue with the rest of my makeup. I think this looks better than before. Okay, so guys, the next thing that I'm going to be doing my eyelids or eyeshadow, whatever you want to call it. So I don't know what eyeshadow I should go for, but I want to go for like a nude. Let me just pick this one that it says Teddy. This one. the teddy in like the inner corners, and sandalwood and teas on the outer corners. Then I think I'm going to put a bit of like glitter or like gold in here. What's this? I think I'm just going to clean up the sides so it can look more neat. Kind of looks chaotic, but I'm just going to do my liner. This liner is from Shop Mistake too, and it's also $1. So guys, this is what I currently look like, and I'm just going to line my lips, put some lip gloss. I'm not going to fix my lashes because I don't really know how to fix lashes, but sometimes I fix it. But this video I'm not going to be fixing it because I don't want to teach you guys the wrong thing. So yeah, I'm just going to be using some mascara.
I'm all up in the clouds when it's pouring rain. Ain't never coming.
Guys, so this is the final look, and I'm just going to be spraying my setting spray, which is the last item. I'm using the e.l.f. setting spray. So I'm going to leave that on, and yeah, this is basically the final look. By the time the setting spray dries, like the whole makeup is going to come together, look like a real nice like soft glam look, that kind of thing. So yeah, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was somewhat educational or something, and yeah, I will see you guys I'll see you guys next time in my video. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.